I'm Meggan Kaiser, author of Everywhere for Nothing, Free Travel for the Modern Nomad, travel host, and actress. I'm here today to talk to you about National Camping Month. We're here in June and the time is right. So one thing I talk about in my book is how important it is to find the balance between planning and spontaneity. For example, last year I was hiking a portion of the Appalachian Trail with my mom. We hiked 10 miles that day, and there was a little side trail. It added about an extra mile and a half, but we had done extra planning, so we knew that it was totally worth it to go off the trail and find the best place I've ever camped. So find that balance, planning and spontaneity, and you'll be great to go. Now let's talk about some brass tacks. A lot of people think about camping and once you're there or once you're at that outdoor experience, but you also have to think about getting there, and that usually involves a set of wheels. I'm really excited about the all-new BF Goodrich Trail Terrain TA tire. It is engineered to ensure you can live life on your terms wherever the road takes you. Whether you're planning an outdoor adventure or camping trip, BF Goodrich tires encourages living life with a sense of exploration, and I just love when I see a side road and I know I can take it without worry. So hit the road with a reliable set of wheels. Now also think about gear, because when you're traveling you're going to need gear, and gear needs batteries. They're not all the same either. I love the new Duracell batteries with power boost ingredients. They are engineered for more to help you get the most out of your adventures this summer. They're my go-to battery because versus the previous copper top, these power boost ingredients deliver more life in a wide range of devices or more power in others. And you know, Duracell is America's #1 trusted battery, so you really can't go wrong. So if you're into some more comfortable camping options, skip the overpriced hotels and canceled flights this summer and get a 5-star hotel on wheels with an RV or camper rental. Now, a rental from Outdoorsy.com means you don't have to put travel on the back burner for the 3rd summer in a row. And with delivery options or low nightly rates, travel can be an affordable option no matter where you're traveling or how many you're traveling with. Trust me, if you haven't tried an RV and camper, now is the time. Absolutely go visit Outdoorsy.com. And finally, some basics. Summer outdoors means bugs, but it doesn't mean you have to get bitten. And I am so excited about Eco Buggy. It is a new, natural, DEET-free mosquito and tick repellent and a must-have for all my camping trips, or basically anytime I go outside. It's the only repellent that offers longer-lasting, safer, all-natural protection that's safe for the whole family. Plus, it smells great. You can get it for less than $10 a bottle at ecobuggy.com. Check this out so you're not itching and scratching the whole summer. And for everything I mentioned today, just go to tipsontv.com.